Question number 42. According to the Gestalt principles of continuity, individuals tend to perceive A. Objects that are close together as belonging together. B. Objects that are similar in shape, size, or color as belonging together. C. Patterns as continuous even when they are broken. D. Objects that move together as a single unit. Question 43. Which term refers to the tendency to perceive objects as unchanging over variation in conditions such as lighting, distance, or angle? A. Perceptual constancy. B. Relative motion. C. Linear perspective. D. Continuity. Question 44. What principle illustrates the brain ability to recognize that an object's properties remain the same even when conditions such as lighting or distance change? A. Law of continuity. B. Perceptual constancy. C. Hearing opponent process theory. D. Relative motion. Question 45. In perceptual constancy, what is the term used to describe the ability to perceive an object as maintaining its size despite changes in the retinal image size? A. Size constancy. B. Shape constancy. C. Color constancy. D. Brightness constancy. Question 46. When you perceive a door as remaining the same size, whether it is close or far away from us or from you, what perceptual constancy are you experiencing? A. Size constancy. B. Shape constancy. C. Color constancy. D. Brightness constancy. Question 47. Which perceptual constancy allows us to recognize familiar objects despite changes in orientation? A. Size constancy. B. Shape constancy. C. Color constancy. D. Brightness constancy. Question 48. Perceptual constancy helps to maintain a stable perception of objects despite changes in A. Their texture. B. Their size. C. Their shape. D. Their position relative to other objects. Question 49. What perceptual constancy allows us to perceive the color of an object as constant even under different lighting conditions? A. Size constancy. B. Shape constancy. C. Color constancy. D. Brightness constancy. Question 50. When you perceive an object as maintaining the same level of brightness regardless of changes in light conditions, what perceptual constancy are you expecting? A. Size constancy. B. Shape constancy. C. Color constancy. D. Brightness constancy. Question 51. The ability to perceive objects as retaining their size despite changes in their distance from the observer is known as what? Size constancy. B. Shape constancy. C. Color constancy. D. Brightness constancy. Question 52. Which term refers to the tendency to perceive objects as unchanging over variation in conditions such as lighting, distance, or angle? A. Perceptual constancy. B. Relative motion. C. Linear perspective. 53. What phenomena is exemplified by the Muller-Lyer illusion? A. Auditory perception. B. Tactile sensation, C. Visual illusion, D. Olfactory sensation. Question 54. The molar layer illusion is characterized by A. Misinterpretation of auditory stimuli, B. Misinterpretation of tactile sensations, C. Distortion in visual perception, D. Alterations in olfactory sensation. 55. Which cultural factor greatly influences susceptibility to the molar layer illusion? A. Age, B. Gender, C. Level of intellect, D. Cultural background. Question 56. In the molar layer illusion, the length of the lines appears distorted due to A. Different lighting condition, B. Angle of viewing, C. Cultural background, D. None of the above. 57. What aspect of visual perception is most prominently illustrated by Muller's layer illusion? A. Color perception, B. Depth perception, C. Size perception, D. Motion perception. Question 58. What is the primary criticism of Sir Ken Robinson regarding contemporary educational systems? They are based on industrial paradigm. B. They promote creativity and innovation. C. They prioritize individualized learning. D. They focus solely on academic achievement. Question 59. According to Sir Ken Robinson, what is intelligence primarily defined as? A single measure of academic performance, B. A diverse set of abilities and talents, C. A fixed trait determined at birth, D. A result of standardized test. Question 60. What concept does Sir Ken Robinson advocate for in education? A. Rote memorization, B. Creativity and innovation, C. Standardized test, D. Traditional teaching methods. Question 61. What does Sir Ken Robinson believe the school should prioritize? A. Uniformity in curriculum, B. Fostering creativity and divergent thinking, C. Emphasizing rote memorization, D. Encouraging competition among students. Thank you.